I'm Sarah Millsop. I'm here to talk to you today about the Forever Flowerz from Craft Buddy complete range. Now we have amazing kits that will allow you to make a vast variety of flowers. We also have fantastic foliage, stems, wreath and garland, so that once you've made your flowers, there are so many different ways that you can utilize them to make them beautiful in your crafting projects, but also in your home decor. Some amazing things from our dies and stamps. Naomi's made this gorgeous embroidery hoop. Now these flowers are actually made from card and paper. So not only can you create your own flowers from our pre-made kits, but we also have the dies and stamps to enable you to actually make your own petals to create your own flowers. A beautiful crafting project, making the most of an embroidery hoop. Now, once you have made your flowers, there are so many different takes on the projects that you can use them in. Beautiful dahlia flowers onto a card with some of the foliage. You can glue them into place. It's going to add dimension, and you can even have a look at some of our stamps and stencils to create your own backgrounds. Super simple, but very effective. Now, if you want to make more eye-catching displays, adding them into your home decor, we even sell the arrangement vases and the stems. So once you have made your flowers, and the best thing is they're all interchangeable, once you've made your flowers in any different variety and colour, and of course you could have this beautiful display and then chop and change it for various different flowers that you're making, you're just going to take your flower heads, add them onto our little arrangement stems, also including the foliage, because foliage is going to make your display look so real. We've then actually got the vases with faux oasis in the centre and the little faux moss as well. So once you've made your arrangements, and this is actually 2 of them that we've then put together, making a very lifelike arrangement detail, popping it into your vases, and you're ready to gift or display them in your home. You can also create some amazing wreaths. Wreaths aren't just for Christmas. You can have them through spring and summer. Here I've got the beautiful peonies in the gorgeous red colour. As you can see, the petals themselves have beautiful variegation in that colour. They look super natural. You've even got the stamens inside, and of course you've got the lovely fabric leaves on the base for that very natural finishing touch. And with our wreath bases that we do in various different sizes, I'm going to show you a candle holder one in a moment. So we've got anything from down to a small 9 centimetre all the way up to a 28 centimetre wreath. They all come with the little attachments, and each one of your foliage and your flowers attaches onto a small little spike. So you are then in charge of your floral arrangements. You'll take your foliage, you'll take the flowers that you've created and start adorning your wreaths. Maybe for your front door, there's a table centerpiece. You could put a bowl or a candle in the middle of them. They're going to be gorgeous. So this is one of the smaller ones, just sat around a candle. Now they are fabric flowers and leaves, so you want to use your faux battery operated candles, but the 9 centimetre wreaths are absolutely beautiful as candle holders. Now of course, because we do have plastic and fabric flowers and foliage, you must use your LED and battery operated candles, ideal for table decorations and for handmade finishes around your home. We can also create things for weddings. So here I've used our beautiful peonies. I've followed the instructions and made a full headed bloom. I've then used some of the smaller petals just to create a more natural bud-like finish. I've added in a few little bits of foliage onto our floristry stems, bound together with a little bit of ribbon to make things like buttonholes. They could be corsages for weddings, for anniversaries, and of course, because they are forever flowers, these are beautiful memoirs from the actual event as well. We even have garland. We don't even stop there. Making your own garland, perfect for Christmas, perfect for any occasion. You can wrap these around pillars, fireplace. You can create your own arches. Again, all of them interchangeable. The Forever Flowerz stem is the same no matter what variety of flower you are making. It's all based around the same sized hole. So whether it be for your garland or for your wreaths or for your stems, you quite simply attach them on and you are ready to go. You could glue them into place if you are selling your makes, or you know that you're going to want to use this piece time and time again. Go back to weddings, we even have bouquet holders. Now these little handles on the inside actually have a basket with real oasis. So you could use our handles for real cut fresh flowers as well. But as you can see, you can create beautiful embellishments by making your flowers adding on your stems, adding on the gorgeous foliage, and then just simply embedding it into any of our displays. Something like this is going to last forever and is actually a very inexpensive way of bringing your crafts to life. If you have a look at the wreath behind me, I've even just made this from leftover flowers that I had from many of my Forever Flowers kits. So I've got beautiful hydrangea heads in here. I've actually coloured some of these with additional alcohol inks and sprays. We've got some of our peony blooms. We've also got our daisies. I've used just a few of the individual daisy heads to create smaller flowers. We've got some camellias in here, some beautiful begonias. We've also got our larger peonies, even some of our chrysanthemums, down to the poinsettias, and all the way back up into some of our daisies, peonies, hydrangeas, and our camellias as well. There are so many different takes on them. I really hope you enjoy using yours, whatever the occasion may be, whether it be to bring some colour and life into your home, or for that very special occasion and you want to have those keepsakes and your own personalised touch. I hope you enjoy the Forever Flowers range from Craft Buddy.